My students always ask me, what is the fastest way to learn Python for AI engineering? They see LangChain, PyTorch, and vector databases and want to jump straight in. But here is what happens: they skip the foundations, hit a wall 2 months in, and blame the language. I'm an IT professor. And today I'm showing you the exact roadmap I give my own students to go from zero to building production AI apps with Python. Phase 1, Python fundamentals, but not the way you think. You do not need to memorize every built-in function. You need 4 things: data types and structures, control flow, functions, and file handling. That is it. That covers 80% of what you will actually use. But here is the key: learn these with AI from day 1. Use Cursor or Copilot. But here is the rule: do not let AI write for you. Let it explain, debug, and review. Research shows that AI-assisted learning with active recall produces 3 times better retention than passive tutorials. Phase 2, the AI stack. Start with Python data libraries, NumPy and Pandas for data manipulation. Then learn an API framework like FastAPI to serve your models. Phase 3, LLM fundamentals. Learn prompt engineering patterns, how tokens work, and how to call APIs from OpenAI, Anthropic, and Gemini. Then build a retrieval augmented generation system, chunk documents, generate embeddings, store them in a vector database like Vector or Chroma, and retrieve them at query time. Phase 4, AI agents. Learn function calling, tool use, and multi-step reasoning loops using LangChain or direct API calls. This is what production AI engineering looks like in 2026. Here is the bottom line. Learn Python fundamentals with AI as your tutor, not your replacement. Build data skills with NumPy and Pandas. Master prompts, RAG, and agents in that order. Do not jump to agents before you understand tokens. This is the roadmap I use in my AI engineering courses, and it works. I'm an IT professor. If this helped, hit subscribe. Drop a comment: where are you on this roadmap? I'll see you in the next one.